beautiful night. Even the pavement is sparkling. Or are we floating through the sky? You got me thinking this is the start of something grand. Though I know these feelings are not something that we planned, still there ain't no shame if you wanna stay, 'cause it's raining in LA. Now all the streetlights are on. We could call you a car, but would it really be so wrong if I invite you upstairs? We could light up a fire, kick off our rainbows, 'cause inside the weather's fair and there ain't no shame if you wanna stay, 'cause it's raining in LA. Your coat looks nice, hanging up by the door. No reason to rush out, 'cause when it rains they say it pours.